Hello children, today we are going to learn geometry. That is, from geometry the topic is shapes. Okay, now actually this square, rectangle, triangle, circle, cylinder, all these things you have already learned in class UKG also. Do you remember that one? I taught you. I have shown one video also. Okay, now same repetition is here, but the little bit in more details. Okay, today we are going to learn about the solid shapes also. Now these shapes, they are just outline of the figure. Okay, they are just outline and they are called flat shapes. And today what we are going to learn is solid shapes. Okay, these things you have already learned in class LKG, but still I'll do some repetition. Okay, some revision. Now look here, this shape is called square. Why it is called square? Because all the sides are equal. Okay, now it has how many sides? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 corners. These are corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides and 4 corners, and all the sides are equal. So this kind of shape is called square. Now next is rectangle. Rectangle means one side little longer and another side shorter. Okay. Now see, this is opposite to this. So this length and this length is same. Okay, and this is opposite to this one, and this is same. Okay, opposite sides are same. So how many altogether it has? How many sides? It has also 4 sides. And how many corners? There are also 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Now next figure is triangle. Now in triangle we have only 3 sides. Okay, and 3 corners. Now 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And sides corners 2, 3. 3 corners and 3 sides. In triangle, it is not. In some triangles, all the 3 sides are equal. Some triangles only this one side, different sides also, different length. Okay, and some triangles it has this opposite. 2 sides will be equal and another side will be equal. Okay, there are different kinds of triangles. Okay, so when you go in higher classes, you will learn details about the triangles. Okay, we have different names for this triangles. Now next is circle. This circle also just outline. Okay, it starts from one point and it ends in the same point. So this kind of outline is called circle. Now another is cylinder. Now this kind of shape. Okay, and it has on top also circular round, and down also it has circular shape. So this kind of shape is called cylinder. Okay, now same these figures are shown in solid shapes. Okay, now they have different names also different, and shape also looks different. Okay, now this one today I am going to show you. Now this shape, first if you see only the front shape, only this one, front one, it looks like square. Okay, but if you have drawn like a box, okay, then this shape is called cube. Okay, now how many sides it has? Now I'll show you. Now see this, I have got one box here. Okay, this box, actually this is not in cube shape. Cube shape means all the sides will be equal. This side, this side, this side, this side, all the sides. Okay, this front side and this side also it should be same in cube. Okay, but actually I didn't get that type of object. So just, but this object is more or less, it looks like cube only. Okay, in cube means this side and this side should be same. Okay, all the 4 sides should be same. And how many sides it has now? Now this front face, they are called face. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, how many faces? 8. And this is called height. Okay, now this is the height of the box. Okay, and this is called height. And these are called corners. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. Okay, in plane we have only 4 corners, but in the solid shape we have 8 corners. Okay, and they are the face. And height, this is surface. Okay, that face, and they are height. Okay, and this side is called edge, and this one is called edge. Okay, so this edge is new thing. So this side, okay, this one only is called edge. E D G E, edge. Okay, and this one is called height. H-E-I-G-H-T, height. Okay, now this is the height of the box, and these are the edges, and these are corners. Okay, and these are face. Understood? So, and this kind of solid surface is called cube. Now next is cuboid. Cuboid also same. It how many that corners, how many sides, and how many these things, height, everything. This cube and cuboid is same, but only the shape is different. Okay. Now in plane surface or flat surface it is called rectangle, or if it is in solid surface it is called cuboid. Now here I have one book. Now look here, this is in rectangular shape, isn't it? Now this side is long and this opposite sides are short. Okay. Now this, see the thickness of the book. Can you see? This book is quite thick, and these are called what? Corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. And face also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then these are called edges. Now see, these are called edges. Okay. So only the shape is different. Otherwise, that how many edges, how many corners, how many faces, everything is same. Cube and cuboid, only everything is same. Only the shape is different. They are in the rectangular shape. One side long and another side short. Okay, that is only the difference. This kind of figure is called cuboid. Now next is cone. Now here I have got cone. Now see, here it is triangle, this flat surface. Okay, triangle. Only the outline figure is there. But it is like this, cone. This kind of figure is called cone. Okay. On birthday also you put like this, and you celebrate your birthday on your friend's birthday or whatever, isn't it? So this kind of figure is called, it has a circle down and it is pointed at the top. Okay. So this kind of figure is called cone. Have you seen, children? Now this kind of figure is called cone. Now next is sphere. Now this only outline is circle, and if it is in solid form like this. Now here I have got one ball. Can you see? Now this is sphere. This is called sphere because all the side is covered. It is round. Okay. Not only the outline, but it is round in shape. Now they are in solid shape. So this kind of figure is called sphere. Okay. Now last is cylinder. Now see, this is cylinder. Now see the body, they are round. Body is round and they have flat surface on top, and down also they have this one. Okay, circular. This one, they are flat but they are in circular shape. Okay, so this kind of figure is called cylinder. Understood, children? Body is round. Okay, and on the top also it is round but it is flat, and bottom also it is round but it is flat. So this kind of figure is called cylinder. So children, hope you understood now what kind of figures they are in flat shapes and what kind of figures they are in solid shapes. Now in solid, if the figures are in solid shape, they have different names. Okay, for square we have got cube, for rectangle we have got cuboid, for this triangle we have got cone, for circle we have got sphere, and cylinder, both is name is same. Okay, they are in plane surface and they are in this thing. Okay, in solid form. So children, please draw these pictures and you learn the names. Okay, children? And there are some homework also. Homework, do page number 100, 101, 103, 104 and 105. They are just simple things. You have to just circle or you have to draw, tick. Simple is there, you have to do in book also. You don't take much time. So I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages together. Okay, they are very short. Okay, so you can do it, children. Okay, bye.